Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie, and welcome. You want to say hi? Who's this? What's your name? Uh-oh, did you drop your apple? We'll get it. Today we are going to be making like an apple bread loaf situation. You can use it as a bread or as a cake, I don't know, but we use it as like something to eat along with our coffee. We went apple picking this past weekend and we have a ton of apples, so I'm excited to be sharing apple recipes with you guys. As always, if you like the recipe, make sure you give us a big thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do that now. Alright guys, enjoy. Bye!